Good morning, this is Zach from Boss Motors. This video is for Paul, who expressed interest in this 4Runner here. I'll do a quick little walk around of the car for you, so you can kind of take a little peek at it. I'm not sure if you've seen our website or seen it on Auto Trader or Kijiji where you saw it from, but there is a video on there as well, but I'll just do another one here for you. It's very clean. Definitely a nice little beast of an SUV. Show you a little bit in here. Our four-wheel controls and whatnot. Sunroof, it's the SR5 trim. You can see there. So in terms of price for the vehicle, we don't charge any extra fees here at this location. So it's just going to be $25.88 plus your taxes, 140,000 kilometers. For Toyota, again, not a whole lot going on there. Now, for your CarProof, no damage, we have a Quebec registration, not stolen obviously, no recalls, no US history, clean CarProof with all your service history right there at the bottom. If you'd like to schedule a time to come take a look at the car, definitely just respond back to my email. My name is Zach, and we can go from there if you have any further questions. Thank you.